welcome back to the channel. If you like what you see, give me that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. We are at the Pickens Azalea Festival up here on the main street. It's the first time I've ever been to the show, so I got no idea what to expect, but y'all ride along with me. Look at this old truck here. Oh yeah, that's a good one there. On a newer chassis. Got the 8.1 in it. Food trucks. Comes all the Jeeps in. That Oldsmobile. There was some down here on the left-hand side. I'll show you one. I come look at that coupe Mustang. That sucker looks good, don't it? See that Mustang? Don't touch it. Yeah. Oh, I didn't see it yet. You gotta show it to me. Oh, there's another one. That says supercharger on top there. See it right there? That's supercharger.
Which one would you really have?
Probably a turbo.
Yeah.
Oh, you good?
Okay. Well, open major. Okay.
That's a Mako. Didn't they call them Mako sharks or something like that? What'd they call it?
That's they tried to copy it. Corvette Summer.
Corvette Summer car. Corvette Summer. Leroy who? Walls?
Yeah.
It's a Ford, I think.
Look how clean that thing's been restored. I don't know, but look at the firewall, how clean it is. Don't. It would. Yes, it would. That's train horns.
Yep. Let's blow it. See what it is.
Supposedly you couldn't start parking on Main Street until 5:30, so we can always stop it. Huh? He's eventually got to come back.
What? Imagine one of those.
Yes.
Have you heard of the elephant unreleased Dodge, but it's not a car, it's an engine. It's got like a
What about it?
It's ugly, but that's probably one of the ones that I'd want.
The Javelin. Them are cool little
I don't know
cars.
if it's a 390 or a 304. It could be a 390 or a 4 Street. Them things are something neat.
Where are they? Here, put him on mine. Hold him for a minute, Jason. Make sure you don't fall for a second.
That's a 56 Chevrolet on that trophy at the church. Took 3 people to put the trophy in the car.
Oh, is it?
My shoes are gonna fall off.
I got your shoes.
They're not gonna fall. Yeah, I wanna slide it. Is this preacher's car?
No, this ain't the preacher's car.
Which one is it?
His is all the way back at where Papa's parked at.
But it does look like it. My chair is gonna fall. It's falling.
No, it ain't. I got it.
It's gonna fall. Where's the doodle ball?
I'll find you a doodle bug.
I can't find it. Because that's the kind of one that you have.
That's good because you park it at home, take the steering wheel inside, and no one can steal it.
Preston.
Y'all coming tonight?
Aren't she?
Roll cage in it. Cheater slicks. Yeah, look at it. Got the Halliburton style wheels on it.
That again. Let me a doodle.
Hold on, see how strong I am.
That sounds good. Ooh, red, my favorite blue color.
Do you like that red car?
Look at the exhaust.
You want to put a power stroke on a Corvette?
Did you see that? I don't know his name, but he put a
Finally, we're down in
diesel motor in a Mustang.
Oh, yeah. You're talking about Weston Chaplin? Something like that. I do too. Oh yeah. Yeah, she's on the ground, ain't she? Call me in. Come on, hold my hand. Don't touch the cars, please.
Does it have airbags?
It does. It has airbags.
Look at them.
Come here and I'll show you. Come here. See the airline going in right there? Come here.
This motor's
See
tiny.
it? Look inside there.
What is
See the airline right there going in there?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not seeing. Look at that. I didn't do that.
Don't touch it now. Get off of it, Preston. You on it a little bit, okay? Come on.
I didn't do that.
Them lights changing.
Look, Avery.
Come on. I see it. Come on. Get away from it, please. Come on. Yeah, come here.
I can use color. I'm gonna go put my drink back. Oh!
You like that?
Well, really. Look, that's gold. Look, look at this.
Oh, yeah.
Look at this shifter.
Come on. Come on. Come on, guys.
Look, but I'm not saying you can't have
It is. Yeah, it's the same body. It's the same cab. Yeah. I don't know. I said, don't touch it. Who does? That meddling truck? He lives across the street from Miss Becky? I didn't know that. Yeah?
That's that guy that's got all that crap right there.
Yeah.
Beside it, if you look, there's like some dump trucks and stuff down in there.
Yeah.
It's down there.
I did not know that. Never seen it. Some sort of old military cab. Whoa, yeah. Look inside of it. It's like a military cab, isn't it? What's wrong?
It was around a 60 Deuce knife.
Deuce knife, okay. Yeah, mine has the same stuff.
Just slam it hard, it'll shut.
Fingers.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. There we go. Tell him thank you.
Yes, sir. Y'all have a good day.
You too. Yeah. Coleman. Come on. Coleman, stop. Come in. You're in the way. Just come here. Where's Avery? Okay, there he is. Them are called Zimmer, I think it is. It's based off of like a Camaro or...
Avery and Daddy, look at this. Daddy, look at this. Avery, look at these.
Yeah. That's fire extinguisher there. Get off the car. What's going on, man? That's a cool little car.
There's another move.
Where?
The Dodge.
Oh yeah, yep, you're right. Come on, Preston. Come on.
Look at that Chevrolet sign.
I see that. We're going, son. We're headed that way. Just wait a minute. I don't even see a Ferrari.
Right there.
Oh, okay. It is. Is that his car? Is that Steve's car? Come on, boys. Come on.
Look how it's big.
Oh, yeah.
Gas tank.
Oh, yeah. It's a kit car.
Drag car conversion.
It could have been. It could have been. It could have been. It could have been like a pro mod car or something like that. And they streeted it. Yeah, streeted it. Yeah, Top Sportsman, something like that. Yeah. See you, buddy. Got to find my youngins. Let's find you, Papa. What's going on, buddy? All day long. This is a real deal super stock car. Oh yeah. I don't know who that is.
It only has 300 horsepower.
No, it's got more than that. Even if it did, that 300 horsepower right there would take you for a ride, buddy. Coleman.